Hello viewer, I'm sure you're interested in this video to learn about this boomerang sequence that the thumbnail of this video has written on it. So, a boomerang sequence is a mathematical formula I created for a problem that it couldn't solve. I still haven't found nor made a problem that it can solve, so I'm hoping you can either use it, or if you know somebody that can use this for a problem, then tell them about it and show them this video. Now then, what I define as a boomerang sequence to be is a sequence of different numbers that can return the same value the sequence started with. To generate one, simply obtain a sequence of numbers, either by making one randomly, using an arithmetic sequence, etc. As an example, I will use the first 4 digits of the even positive integers, which are 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is called the base. The base should be the sequence of numbers you use to generate a boomerang sequence. Secondly, you should square all the numbers except the last one. This is done if you would like a more consistent result. And then you place their products in front of the last number in the base in the reversed order. What you have should look like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 36, 16, and 4. And it is called the raw form of the boomerang sequence. The raw form should be a sequence of different numbers that can give you the same value the sequence started with. Now, to make the sequence start and end with the same value, just divide the products you squared by 2 and you should have this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 4, 2. And it is a refined form of your boomerang sequence. The boomerang sequence I just created is a basic boomerang sequence. And boomerang sequences are divided into 4 categories: basic, mixed, specific, and perfect sequences. The way I created these categories was by comparing the bases of the boomerang sequences. I will define, explain, and give an example of them. Firstly, basic boomerang sequences. They are any boomerang sequence that use an arithmetic sequence as their base, which may contain repeated numbers. An example would be 2, 4, 6, 16, 4. The base being the first 3 digits of the even positive integers. Secondly, mixed boomerang sequences. They are any boomerang sequence that use a varied base, or to paraphrase, use a random order of numbers. Hence, their outcome varies depending on the base. An example would be 8, 4, 9, 16, 64. The base being 8, 4, and 9. Thirdly, specific boomerang sequences. They are any boomerang sequence that use a varied base with an arithmetic sequence. An example would be 3, 1, 3.5, 6, 7, 1, 9. The base being 3 and 1, then adding 2.5 twice, hence the 3.5 and 6. Fourthly, perfect boomerang sequences. There are any boomerang sequence that use a certain sequence of numbers to generate a boomerang sequence in raw form with no repeating numbers. They also have a finite length due to their strictness. An example would be 2, 3, 5, 6, 25. The base being 2, 3, 5. And an important detail of perfect boomerang sequences: the raw form cannot repeat a number. That is all for this special video. You can use this formula for anything you like, just credit me. If you have any doubts, type your questions in the comment section. I have provided in some way the document about boomerang sequences in the description, as well as a generator I made for generating boomerang sequences. Have a nice day, and goodbye.